Well, distressing news coming in from Jammu and Kashmir. 9 people were killed and 33 injured after a bus full of pilgrims attacked by terrorists plunged into a gorge in Riyasi. The bus was on its way to the Shiv Khori cave temple when it came under attack, is what we're told. And as the terrorists opened fire, the bus fell into a gorge. The latest update is the police has disclosed that they are using drones and 5 teams to carry out combing operations. But the driver lost control of the bus in the firing and fell into the gorge. This is what Riyasi's senior superintendent of police has said.
देखिए, ऐसे जो आतंकवादी हमले हो रहे हैं जम्मू कश्मीर में, ख़ास तौर पर 370 हटाने के बाद, जबकि सरकार और गृह मंत्री और प्रधानमंत्री हमेशा ये क्लेम करते हैं पब्लिक में कि अब बिल्कुल शांति है, ये इस बात को एक्सपोज कर रही है कि जो कुछ इनका दावा था कि हम पूरी तरह से वहाँ के कानून व्यवस्था, वहाँ की विधि व्यवस्था पर नियंत्रण है, वो गलत है। आज भी आतंकवादी सक्रिय हैं और समय समय पर वो हमला कर रहे हैं और हमारे जवान शहीद हो रहे हैं।
कायर पाकिस्तानी आतंकवादियों ने बहुत दुस्साहस किया है। जम्मू कश्मीर के रियासी के शिवखोड़ी क्षेत्र में यात्रियों पर कायराना हमला किया है। कायर पाकिस्तानी आतंकवादी भारतीय सेना, जम्मू कश्मीर पुलिस और हमारे जांबाज पैरामिलिट्री फोर्सेस के जवानों का तो मुकाबला कर नहीं सकते। भारतीय सेना, जम्मू कश्मीर पुलिस ने सारे क्षेत्र की घेराबंदी कर दी है। जिन आतंकवादियों ने ये दुस्साहस किया है, उनको उनके इस गुनाह की भारी कीमत चुकानी पड़ेगी उनको।
Well, visuals from the side showed some bodies scattered along a hillside and the damaged bus as well. Nazir's been tracking the latest developments for us. He joins us live at the moment. Nazir, eyewitnesses say that there were 2 militants that were spotted. What are the latest details you can disclose?
Well, there are multiple details about this incident. Number one, how it has happened. There was a firing on a bus and bus fell in the gorge. Because of it fell into the gorge, it actually did the damage was more. Otherwise, what officials are saying, the damage would not have been so high. M4 rifles, American carbine, have been used in this attack. Cartridge of were recovered from here, and also 2 to 3 militants, both Pakistani terrorists, they are believed to be involved in this attack. Group has not been ascertained. Sources in the security force tell us at least 3 groups are operating in this area, from Riyasi, Udhampur to Poonch Rajouri. And the recent attacks, they are not interlinked, but they are different groups operate independently and they carry out these attacks. There is no local militant in this area, so it is clear that it has a footprint of Pakistani militants, foreign militants who have carried out this terror attack in which innocent people have been targeted. They have just come for the yatra here at Shiv Khori, which is few kilometers from here, and it is a cave shrine. After that, they were actually traveling on this road, very road, so to reach Mata Vaishno Devi first Katra, which is like 70 kilometers, 65-70 kilometers from here. So this attack actually also sends a larger message and larger concern, because Amarnath Yatra is around the corner. It will start from next month, so preparations are underway, so that remains a challenge. And also how Jammu is increasingly on terror radar. There have been increased attacks on the security force and innocent civilians, and here it looks like attackers have crossed the line, targeting yatris, innocent people. All these people have come from UP. They, many people who come for this Mata Vaishno Devi Yatra, they go to Shiv Khori as well, Lord Shiva's cave, so shrine. So that they go there, this cave temple, and then go back to this Katra, which is the base camp for this Mata Vaishno Devi. So here it is a larger concern, because here you can see this area. there are dense forests, there are mountains, and it is not easy for the security force to deploy their men at every place. It is just not possible. And then when you have vulnerabilities, when you have such a hardened, die-hard militants who may be hiding in these forests, which you can see this thick forests, this provides them the perfect cover. Since yesterday, drones are being used and other technology is being used to track down attackers. But so far there has not been any success, because more often than not, whenever there have been any major attacks, attackers have managed to escape. And that remains a bigger challenge, that these terror incidents keep happening here. Since October 2021, 38 army soldiers, including special forces, paratroopers, have been killed. Civilians have been killed. In last year in Dangri, in Rajouri, 7 civilians were killed, or a dozen were injured. This year, just in last 2 months, there was an attack on Air Force in Poonch. There was an attack on VDG. There was an attack on a government employee. He was killed also. And now this major attack on innocent yatris here in this area. So there are multiple concerns. Security force say they are trying to recalibrate their strategy. Last year, after Dangri incident, Hindus were targeted in Dangri village in Rajouri. Home Minister visited Jammu and asked security force to ensure that Jammu is free from militancy. So what happened? Reverse actually happened. There were series of attacks, even as the security force have eliminated large number of militants, particularly foreign terrorists. So here there's not, in a sense, that any demonstrative local support. There are no local militants, but a border is closer from Poonch and Rajouri. They infiltrate. Then these mountains, also the caves here in these, I show in these dense forests, these caves, natural caves, provide perfect shelter to these hardened militants. So tracking them down is not an easy. So security force have also be very cautious. Every operation has to be well calibrated to track down the attackers. For now, all the security forces, there as a complete synergy to, when it comes to fighting militancy. But clearly, this area is high on terror radar. Jammu region, particularly Poonch, Rajouri, Pir Panjal region, and now also Riasi and the Udhampur, they have become major terror theatre in Jammu and Kashmir.